So hi,
Hey, hi everyone.
welcome on
So
stage. Um,
thank you very much.
Now the stage is yours. So can you just share your screen?
So my name is Irving Rodriguez from the company Essemtec Dimension, and we are going to discuss now an issue that every company in the world that have something to do with electronics is facing right now. And I'm talking about repair. So repair is a pain. Uh, most of the companies, and at a certain point of time, everybody have to repair. So during this talk, we're going to discuss, first of all, the reasons for repair. So why we have to repair. The second one, we're going to check the state of the art. So which are the methodologies out there to have to repair, to prepare or to perform a repair process. And at the end, we're going to check the solution that we have, solution that already many customers are using, and they are already reducing the cost for repair, and they are more willing to repair because of this solution. So if you can go back or go to the next slides, please. So the first reason to repair. So in this picture, you see a typical place where all the electronic waste is going. And this one is not only in the, this one is obviously not only happening in Europe, this could happen in America, in Africa, Asia, and we are producing a lot of electronics. If you can click, please, Kasia, to the next. And around 140,000 tons of electronics products are wasted every day globally. If you think about it, all of these electronics, they are not coming back to the earth, or they're not coming back in a recyclable way. So they are just staying there, and who knows how long they're going to take, or it's going to take until they reintegrate into the earth. And now with the Internet of Things and all the stuff that we are creating right now, which most of them are good stuff, but practically every single object, or most of the objects around us, they have already electronics. So we are just producing more and more and more electronics, and we are losing somehow the perspective what we are going to do with all these electronics, which are just lasting 1, 2, 3, or 4 years. So next slide, please, Kasia. Good. And here, just to give you a perspective, 140,000 tons of electronic every day. If you click one time, please, they will represent about the weight of 622 Statues of the Liberty. And if you do the math with the current amount of people on this earth, this is about 8 kilo per person. And of course, here is all the military equipment, or the computers that we have, or the smartwatches, or the smart lighting. All the stuff that we are using is about 8 kilo per person per year. And this is a lot of electronic waste. And we need to somehow find out a way, of course, to reduce this one and to repair and reuse this electronic waste. Please go to the next one. Another reason, you click one time, please, is counterfeiting. Also, during the Corona crisis, there were, for several reasons, we didn't have enough chips to produce for electronics, and this produced more cases of counterfeiting. And of course, sometimes you don't have the chance to make your complete incoming inspection. Maybe you are under pressure on production, and one of a sudden you realize that you put a counterfeit component on your products. And depending on the cost of your product, sometimes the product is so expensive that you just have to repair. And in this case, this is costing billions of dollars. It's difficult to quantify, but if you ask some of the top guys producing electronics all over the globe, this is easily over billions, sorry. And we need solutions for repair which are more simple, more easy to use, and that's the reason why we create the solution that we have. So counterfeiting is also one reason for repair. Next one, please, Kasia. The second